So everything's rolled in with clay in the bottom of the pond. I got the core trench tracked in and rolled in with a vibratory pad foot roller, and it's beating my arms to death. That stuff is so packed. It's vibrating the machine like crazy. You can really tell when something packs in that way, just feeling your machine. But John is tossing me a layer and that side of the core trench. I'm probably going to put a little bit more clay right here in the middle and roll it in, and let's see how far we get today. So it started raining just enough to make everything stick, and I think we're gonna call it a day and be back Saturday, blade off whatever wetness is there so we can pack the core trench a little bit better. You just don't want to try to pack it too wet. The roller's not really working, stuff sticking together. It's just not a good idea, so we'll be back tomorrow.